Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So this is a Galaxy Store app update, and if you will tap on Galaxy Store, so you will get to see that a new version will be available that you can update directly from here. So to update it, simply tap on update and your app will automatically restart once the update is installed. And there are many new app updates also available in the Galaxy Store, so simply tap on menu, then tap on updates, and from here you will get to see that multiple app updates are available. And if we talk about that, what new you will get with these new app updates, so this includes some important bug fixes or issues that were there before. So if you were facing some bugs or issues with this app before, so that will be fixed now. Now to update them all, simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated. And if you want to update a single app, simply tap on the icon in front of this app. By the way, are you facing any battery drain issues after the 1UI 7 update? So I have a fix for that and some battery saving tips and tricks. So check out the link mentioned in the description for that. Also, I just got a new Google Play system update, so you can check out that as well by simply tapping on settings, about phone, software information. From here, you will get to see this new Google Play system update. So there's a new Google Play system update available of April 1st, 2025, as the previous one was of May 1st, 2025. Meanwhile, there is no security patch update of the Samsung yet. The security patch update of the May month is only available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series as for now. But soon it will be available for the S24 series as well, and I will let you know. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.